This is amazing. Now this has to be the worst I've ever seen it. This is New York Avenue, which has turned into an absolute river. Oh my. There's quite a current here. I would not want to walk into this. Look at that. That is powerful. There are no cars here. Nobody in their right mind would be driving in this right now. There's people that can't get out of their houses. If there was an emergency, they would be stuck. Definitely. So all this water is heading down towards the harbor. This is just crazy.